repair can begin. All other glenohumeral pathology should be assessed and repaired as necessary. In addition, subacromial decompression, either with or without a acromioclavicular joint excision, should be completed and the cuff carefully debrided back. Planned using a spinal needle before the 2 mm incisions are made to facilitate the insert.
Elle est là. Non, mais pour l'instant, je ne vais pas rentrer par là. Non, là, c'est exact. Elle est où, Katia ? Non, c'est...
Ouais, et c'est ça on-off, tu vois le
ah,
bouton
c'est derrière.
Là. Ouais.
Alors attends, faut que j'arrête.
Tu vas passer de l'autre côté, s'il vous plaît.
CrossFit universal punch is inserted at the dead man's angle, or 45 degrees, to the bone surface, approximately 2 mm from the articular margin near the anterior extent of the tear. The CrossFit universal punch is
Boum. Ouais, je vais réessayer.
Once a pilot hole has been created, the CrossFit suture anchor is inserted down to the horizontal laser line, being careful to note the position of the eyelet as indicated by the vertical laser lines on the driver's shaft. A second pilot hole is created by the CrossFit universal punch near the posterior edge of the tear and close to the articular margin. The second CrossFit suture anchor is then inserted in the pilot hole. Using the matched suture colors from each CrossFit suture anchor, the free ends are passed through the torn edge of the rotator cuff in the repair. The paired sutures from each horizontal mattress are tied but not cut. The remaining suture ends are preserved by retrieving each pair back out of its respective anchor portal. At this point, the second suture of each anchor may be removed, as it will not be used for the final construct. pop-lock punch is inserted down to the horizontal laser line, creating the anterior-most pilot hole for the lateral row of anchors. Being careful to mimic the insertion angle of the punch, advance the pop-lock anchor into the same hole. Pressure or gentle taps with a mallet can be used to advance the anchor to the horizontal laser line. Do not insert the anchor beyond the laser line, as depth of insertion is critical. At that point, the insertion handle can simply be removed. The suture tails are then cut using the katana suture cutter. The previous pop-lock suture anchor, the 3.5 millimeter pop-lock punch, creates the posterior pilot hole, and the anchor is then inserted to the horizontal laser line once again, being careful not to grip the deployment trigger prematurely. Once each suture is satisfactorily tensioned, the handle removed, the katana suture cutter clips the remaining suture tails. Once completed, view the entire repair from the posterior portal as well as the lateral working portal. It is also recommended that the repair